Imagine if, in minutes from now, you could get access to the world's first AI Live School Builder app that creates a completely new AI Live School with Done For You. AI Live teachers, AI Live classes, core subjects like math, physics, chemistry, biology, English, social studies, and much more. In any subject, in any language, in less than 2 minutes, without hiring teachers, managing students, or needing any technical skills. And the best part? It comes with a built-in, one-click automated student enrollment tech that automatically attracts and enrolls students to your AI Live School, delivering 1,000 to 10,000 new students daily on complete autopilot. Sounds like a massive life-changing opportunity? Look, the AI and online education industry have taken the world by storm, dominating every corner of the digital learning space. And in this new digital era, people are now 76 times more hooked to online education platforms, learning new skills, watching video lessons, and attending virtual classes. The e-learning industry is booming, with parents, students, and professionals looking for smart AI-powered schools that teach on autopilot. And with global icons like Elon Musk advocating AI-powered education, the industry has seen a massive surge in demand, revenue, and student enrollments. And, according to the latest research by Forbes, AI-powered virtual schools are the future of education, offering limitless learning opportunities and automated revenue streams for school owners. Here are some facts. The online education industry is worth over $400 billion and is expected to surpass $1 trillion by 2028. E-learning platforms have over 1.5 billion students actively learning online. 94% of schools worldwide are now integrating AI-powered learning. AI-driven learning programs have proven to increase student engagement by 300%. Online education influencers are earning millions monthly just by hosting virtual classes. The demand for AI-powered schools and automated teaching is skyrocketing. An average online course creator with just 1,000 students earns over $10,000 monthly. No wonder why AI Live schools are the hottest business model right now. And seeing the huge profit potential and limitless possibilities of AI-powered schools, we decided to give it a try. But we quickly ran into a major problem. Well, launching a fully functional AI Live school is not easy at all. It requires expensive LMS platforms, hiring expert teachers, curriculum development, and a team of administrators. Plus, managing students, assignments, and classes is a nightmare. And building a school from scratch costs a fortune. But what if there was a better way, where you can easily create, manage, and profit from a fully automated AI Live school without spending a dime? Introducing AI Live School Builder, world's first AI-powered live school builder that creates fully automated AI Live schools with Done For You, AI Live teachers, AI Live classes, and a complete curriculum covering core subjects like math, science, English, and more, in any language and subject in less than 2 minutes, without hiring teachers, without any technical skills, and without any hassle. Here are some key features never seen before AI Live School Builder app. AI Live teachers for 20+ subjects, covering academics, tech, business, languages, and wellness. Live and interactive classes, AI-powered explanations, problem-solving, and real-time Q&A. Student management system, track progress, issue certificates, and provide personalized feedback. AI-powered Q&A and tutoring, instant assistance and adaptive learning tailored to students' needs. Run AI-powered tests, exams, and automatic student grading. Monetize your school with AI-driven subscription models and course sales. Use the one-click automated student finder to get 1,000+ students instantly comprehensive academic curriculum covering core subjects like math, physics, biology, chemistry, history, geography, English, economics, and political science. Technology and coding integration. Teach in-demand skills like computer science, AI and machine learning, web development, Python, and JavaScript. Creative and skills-based learning empowers students with courses in art, music, graphic design, photography, and video editing. Multi-language learning offer classes in English, Spanish, French, German, Hindi, Mandarin, and more. Business and finance education teach high-income skills like marketing, entrepreneurship, stock trading, personal finance, and crypto investing. Health and wellness training provide learning on psychology, yoga, meditation, nutrition, and personal development. Track student progress with built-in AI, analytics, and reports. Seamlessly integrate with YouTube, Google, and social media for free traffic. And the best part, you can get all this done in under 2 minutes with just a few clicks. Say goodbye to the hassle of hiring teachers and managing classrooms. Say goodbye to the stress of developing a curriculum from scratch. And finally, stop spending thousands on expensive education platforms. Now it's time for you to experience the true power of this revolutionary AI live school builder, helping you enroll students, conduct classes, and generate revenue on complete autopilot. Look, AI Live School Builder is a game-changing AI revolution that allows even complete newbies with zero experience to start profiting from day one. All it takes is just 3 dead simple steps. Step 1. Set up your AI Live School. Choose your subjects, school theme, and structure in just a few clicks. Step 2. Customize and automate. Effortlessly add AILIVE teachers, interactive lessons, and automated student enrollments. Step 3. Launch and profit. Instantly start enrolling students and earning revenue from your AI-powered school. And it doesn't get any better than this, my friend. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below to get your copy of AI Live School Builder at the lowest one-time price. We'll see you inside.